What if one city could offer ancient pyramids, world-class museums, incredible street food, colorful neighborhoods, and a history spanning more than 700 years? Welcome to Mexico City, one of the largest and most fascinating cities on Earth. Whether you're visiting for a few days or planning a longer stay, this city is packed with unforgettable experiences. Today, we're counting down the 15 best things to do in Mexico City. Let's get started. Number 15, explore Coyoacán. Start your journey in Coyoacán, one of Mexico City's most charming neighborhoods. With its cobblestone streets, colorful buildings, lively plazas, and local markets, it feels more like a small town than part of a massive metropolis. It's the perfect place to experience the city's artistic and cultural side. Number 14. Visit Chapultepec Park. One of the largest urban parks in the world, Chapultepec Park is a green oasis in the heart of the city. Visitors can enjoy walking trails, lakes, monuments, museums, and beautiful views while escaping the busy streets. Number 13. Discover the National Palace. Located in the historic center, the National Palace is home to some of the most famous murals created by legendary Mexican artist Diego Rivera. The artwork tells the story of Mexico's rich history and cultural heritage. Number 12. Wander through Roma Norte. Roma Norte has become one of the trendiest neighborhoods in Mexico City. Filled with cafes, restaurants, art galleries, and beautiful architecture, it's the perfect place to spend an afternoon exploring on foot. Number 11. Visit Xochimilco. Xochimilco offers one of the most unique experiences in Mexico City. Visitors can ride colorful boats along ancient canals while enjoying music, food, and a lively atmosphere. It's a tradition that dates back hundreds of years. Number 10. Explore the Templo Mayor. Hidden among modern buildings lies the fascinating remains of the ancient Aztec capital. Templo Mayor offers a glimpse into the powerful civilization that once dominated central Mexico before the arrival of the Spanish. Number 9. Try authentic street food. No visit to Mexico City is complete without tasting the local street food. From tacos, al pastor, and tamales to quesadillas and churros, every corner of the city offers something delicious to discover. Number 8. Visit the Palace of Fine Arts. One of the city's most beautiful landmarks, the Palace of Fine Arts, is famous for its stunning architecture and cultural performances. Whether you attend a show or simply admire the building, it's a must-see attraction. Number 7. Walk through the historic center. The historic center is the heart of Mexico City. Filled with centuries-old buildings, grand plazas, and important landmarks, it's one of the best places to understand the city's incredible history. Number 6. Visit the Frida Kahlo Museum. Often called the Blue House, this museum was the home of the famous artist Frida Kahlo. Visitors can explore her life, artwork, and personal belongings while learning about one of Mexico's most influential cultural figures. Number 5. Experience the Zócalo. The Zócalo is one of the largest public squares in the world and serves as the symbolic center of Mexico City. Surrounded by historic buildings and constantly filled with activity, it's a place every visitor should experience. Number 4. Explore the Anthropology Museum. Widely considered one of the best museums in the world, the National Museum of Anthropology houses extraordinary artifacts from Mexico's ancient civilizations, including the Aztecs and Maya. Number 3. Visit Teotihuacan. Just outside the city lies one of Mexico's most spectacular archaeological sites. Visitors can explore the ancient city of Teotihuacan and stand before the massive Pyramid of the Sun and Pyramid of the Moon, built nearly 2,000 years ago. Number 2. Watch the sunset at Chapultepec Castle. Perched on a hill overlooking the city, Chapultepec Castle offers breathtaking views and fascinating history. Watching the sunset from here is one of the most memorable experiences in Mexico City. Number 1. Explore the streets, food, and culture. Taking the top spot isn't a single attraction, it's the experience of Mexico City itself. The city's energy, food, history, music, architecture, and welcoming atmosphere create an adventure unlike anywhere else in the world. Sometimes the best thing to do is simply walk the streets and discover what makes this city so special. Mexico City is a destination that surprises visitors at every turn. From ancient pyramids and historic landmarks to incredible food and vibrant neighborhoods, there's always something new to discover. Which of these experiences would you try first? Let us know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel guides and amazing destinations from around the world. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you